Slabby Sifri with It Must Be Love, going out here to Mandy Bradley Cullen, yes, from your loved one Ian. He's also asked, can I play some Pet Shop Boys for you? So what I'm going to do better than that, because it's getting late now. And Williams wants to have his tea. I'm going to put a bit of a Pet Shop Boys medley on from the Blitz, yeah, I think it was in the early 2000s or something like that, when he was at the peak, to be honest. I once seen him play, yes, William's going to admit to this. They was on before Take That at Main Road. Yeah, I was there. Yeah, I was watching Take That. What's all that about? Keep that quiet to yourself, do you know what I mean? That really would destroy my reputation. But like I say, I really do have an eclectic mix of music. He started off in the 70s with the Pistols and then Buzzcocks and stuff like that. I just loved that sort of music, and then it went on to the Smiths, and then blah, 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 and then the Manchester music scene, the Inspirals, Oasis, stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. I just followed it through, basically. And Manchester music, though, has always really had the main say for me. You know, just babbling on now, aren't I? Right, on that note, if you've enjoyed what you've listened to, you have listened to the best station on the planet. Yeah, you've listened to the sounds of Salford, the one that's blowing them all away. Got nearly 5,000 listeners you went out on this show. How good was that? Not bad at all. Buzzing for everyone who tuned in on that one. Anyway, on that note, let's go to the Pet Shop Boys, and whatever you're doing in Salford tonight, do Williams a massive favour, or Willie No Mates as he's now called. Make sure you take care.
Thank you for this impressive award.
We really appreciate it.
Thanks to everyone we've worked with over the years.
And thanks to all our fans.
And all of you who've taken us to your hearts.
We love you all.
Peace.
Che Guevara and Debussy to a disco beat. as good as I should. Maybe I don't love you quite as often as I could. Little things I should have said and done, I never took the time. But you are always on my mind. You are always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Satisfied.
Drinks, I brought you flowers, I read your books and talked for hours. Every day, so many drinks, such pretty flowers. So tell me, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What have I?
Since you went away, I've been hanging around. I've been wondering why I'm feeling down. You went away, you should make me feel better, but I don't know how I'm gonna get through. How am I gonna get through? I missed you bad. I missed you bad.
I've always thought that music is about making people happy and having a good time. I think that's because I come from Blackpool.
We were always hoping that, looking back, you could always rely on a friend. When I look back upon my life, it's always with a sense of shame. I've always been the one to blame for everything I long to do, no matter when or where or who. There's one thing in common too. It's a sin. It's a sin. Everything I've ever done, everything I ever do, every place I've ever been, everywhere I'm going to, it's a sin. We feel it all around us every day, in the music that you play. This is a song about boys and girls. You hear it playing all over the walls. This is a song about boys and girls. You hear it playing all over the walls.
Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand, it's pointing to your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around. posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got it, do you get it? If so, how often? Which do you choose, a hard or soft option?
How far have you been? In a western town, dead walls. The eastern boys and western girls. A western town, dead walls. Eastern boys, western girls. West End girls. West End girls. West End girls. How far have you been? West End girls. How far have you been? West End girls.
Thank you for this impressive award.
We really appreciate it.